Hi, today I'm here with Kush Birdi of Birdi Co Solicitors, and today we're talking about properties within the transactions and the property issues that can come up quite regularly, to be honest, throughout any transaction. So what kind of things have you come across before and how can we avoid them?
Yeah, I mean, property issues are very common in nursery transactions. We see them come up a lot, and we usually have to take an extended deal time frame to resolve them. So examples could be that there are, maybe if you own the freehold, but there's like entries against your land registry deeds that haven't been removed what should be. We had a client who had their property held in a pension trust, but they changed pension trust and they hadn't changed the land registry records, and that is causing several months of delay because you then have to bring in a third party to sort of try and resolve that, which of course they've got no incentive really to do that.
And additional costs as well.
We dealt with the sale of 3 settings recently, and there were all leases. And there was issues on all 3 of them. One of them wasn't registered, they hadn't paid the proper stamp duty. In fact, 2 of them was like that. The other one I think had a landlord break clause quite soon, so we had to try and negotiate that back out of the lease to sell the setting, all in one sale. So that was tough. So if I could recommend anything, it would be maybe at an earlier stage, getting your property documents reviewed, your lease reviewed, your land registry records reviewed, to check that they're all ready for sale, for when an independent buyer comes and looks at it with a fine-tooth comb, that there's not going to be any obstacles in the way.
And it will save so much time as well, because also when you're working, especially with leases and third-party landlords, as you say, there's no invested interest to move any faster than they want to. So if you can kind of start getting things moving beforehand, or at least highlight what issues they're going to be beforehand, hopefully you can move it a little bit faster, or at least as fast as they want to.
Absolutely. And actually, we had a situation where the landlord knew that we needed to resolve an issue because we were selling the nursery. They took advantage of that and demanded a significant payment. So
it can happen,
it helps obviously to have everything ready, all the legal aspects before sale, to avoid that kind of stress.
Yeah. I hope you found that useful. If you have any questions, please pop them into the comments below, and we'll see you again soon.